Alana here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe before you leave this channel. My name is Alana, and I make videos on everything related to beauty, style, and just life, okay? Recently, I've had an abundance of people asking me about affordable makeup. They just want to know the basics, like who are just starting out with their makeup, trying to get into just practicing and doing it right. They don't want to spend a lot of money on these higher end products, and just the makeup market is so saturated right now. People are like, what do I buy? Where do I start? So I wanted to make a video showing you some of the more affordable makeup items that I have in my makeup kit that I like to show my clients. You know, this is what you can use on yourself. Super affordable, super easy to work with, and you can get a natural looking everyday slay just like I got today using these affordable items. Everything is under $20 with the exception of my setting powder that exactly was $20, and I do have a recommendation of a different setting powder that you could use instead of the $20 one, just in case you are on a super tight budget. I understand, girls, times get hard. I will have all of that listed and linked down in the description box below, so please do not forget to check that before you ask me in the comment section what it is that I'm using, okay? We're doing an affordable drugstore everyday slay. This is kind of like a little natural look that we're going for. Excuse the wig. I'm doing some affordable wig reviews. I think these wigs are like under $50, I believe. So trying to bring you guys some more affordable options. So yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so I have already done my eyebrows previously. As you guys can tell, I did just film an eyebrow tutorial, which should have gone up before this video. If you guys have not seen the eyebrow tutorial, I will link it up in the cards above, as well as in the description box down below. That way you guys can get an in-depth tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. They do take a little bit of time, and I don't want to make this video too long. Starting with the rest of my face, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base Primer. I'm just going to take a little bit of this on my finger. I don't mean to give you guys a middle finger. And this primer is really good for oily skin. I'm just going to get it all over my fingertips and just kind of rub it into my T-zone here, because that's where I tend to be the most oily. Next, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Today I am using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This one is for normal to oily skin, and I really like this foundation. It is in the color 355 Coconut, which is a great shade for a range of skin tones in or around my skin tone bracket, you know. And I'm gonna add a little bit to the back of my hand just to kind of help it warm up, so that way it will spread evenly. So taking my finger, I'm just gonna be dotting some of that foundation all over my face. I do have some discoloration and scarring that I could have color. Okay, you know what? My camera just decided that it doesn't wanna work right now. Happens almost every time I get ready to film. Hence why there hasn't been a lot of videos out. But I'm just gonna thug it out. We're gonna use my phone right now, and I'm gonna get this video done so I can get this up for you guys. So last thing that I was able to catch on the camera was me adding in my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the matte and poreless, and the number 355 Coconut. I was dotting it all over my face, and I don't know, it probably dried by now. I'm just gonna take my blending sponge. This is from Chic Republic. I'm going to link them down below. I believe their blending sponges are about $7 to $9. They are amazing sponges, a lot cheaper than the beauty blenders, and to me they work a lot better. They last a lot longer, and they're just my favorite. So this is me blending out that foundation. Should have shaved my mustache today. And like I said, the foundation probably has dried a little bit because I did spend a few minutes trying to make sure that, trying to get my camera to work again. The little device that I used to connect my camera to my phone died, and then all of a sudden everything else came crashing down with it. I don't know what happened. So now that my foundation is on, I'm gonna go ahead in with my concealer. Today I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm just going to put that under my eyes. and down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and right here. Down. And I'm just blending this concealer up and out. Up under my eye to conceal any dark circles. And then out towards my cheekbones just to highlight that area a little bit. And then I'm blending everything else down at the bridge of my nose, up into my forehead. Next, I'm gonna go in with my BH Studio Pro. This is a concealer and contour palette, and I'm just going to take a small brush. I'm gonna go in with one of the darker colors, pick up a little bit of that product there, and go ahead and contour my face. Now when I'm contouring, I'm gonna follow those natural lines, so you guys see how it's like a little dark right here. So this is where I would place my contour. Same thing with this side, it gets deeper right here. I'm just gonna deepen it with a little bit of this contour color. And then I'm gonna go around my hairline and down the bridge of my nose. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out again with my makeup sponge. Next, I'm gonna go in and set my under eye. Today I'm using the Sacha Buttercup. This is a setting powder in the color, I don't know, it's like a yellow color. I think it's called Banana, but I will double check just to make sure. Now, this one is not exactly from the beauty supply store or anything like that, but I know that you could get it on Amazon, which is where I order mine from. You could order it from the company, and it is about $20, but it does last you a long time. I've had this for about a year now, and it never fails. You can use it on a lot of people if you are a makeup artist or wow. Oh snap, I put a little bit too much. I forgot how yellow this stuff was, but it's okay because I'm gonna press the powder into my skin. Just because I'm a little oily, I like to press the powder in, and then I'm gonna dust it away lightly. So usually what I do is just apply some powder to my sponge, and then I tap it on my arm just to kind of get that excess out, and then I go ahead and pat that powder into my skin. And this is good. We're gonna go ahead and set the under eye. We're gonna set the eyes. We're gonna set all the areas that we applied the concealer, and then we're gonna go back and just set all of the areas that we applied foundation as well. Don't focus so much on the contour area because we're gonna use something else to set that part, but once everything else is set, we're good to go. Okay, next I'm gonna go in. This is a brush from Real Techniques. I will leave a link to these brushes in the description box below. These are some of my favorite brushes. They're super affordable. You can find them at Kohl's, you can find them at Target, you can find them a lot of places. So I'm going in with this palette from LA Colors, and I actually really like this palette a lot. I think that a lot of these colors work well to complement a lot of different skin tones. So I'm gonna go in with this one. Uh-oh, there's a piece of hair in my brush. Gonna go in with this one and this one just to kind of warm up my face a little bit, and I'm just going to set that contour that we applied earlier. So I'm just gonna take my brush and lightly, when you're blending your contour, you want to blend it upward, okay, not down. And then up near the forehead, just gonna go ahead and contour that. And then the sides of the nose, the chin, and we've brought more color back to the face. Next, for my highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter in the color 100 Molten Gold. I'm going to leave a link for this as well. This is one of my favorite highlighters. I reach for this on the daily. And I'm just going to be applying some of that highlighter to the highest points of my cheekbones, my nose. Next, I would normally move on to eyes. Just to show you guys that you can use different makeup for different things, I'm gonna go back in with the LA Colors palette, and I'm just going to take a crease brush. This one is a brush by NYX. I will leave a link to this brush down in the description box as well. This is one of my favorite brushes. It's very similar to the MAC, what is it, 217 brush that everyone loves. I personally don't like it because I feel like MAC brushes shed so much, but whatever, to each his own. I'm just gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm going to apply that to the crease of my eye just to kind of deepen up and contour that crease a little bit. Now, I'm not gonna do like a full, you know, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am eye look today, but I am gonna just do something very simple and nice on the eyes, so that way you guys at least have some options to show you how you can use a few things different ways. Next, I'm gonna go back in with my Master Chrome, and I am going to take a eyeshadow brush. This is again one from Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and pop it right on my lid. Now, when you are adding makeup to your lid, you want to make sure that you're packing it on. Okay, this is very different than when you're trying to blend out in a sweeping motion. You're actually trying to pack so that the shadow stays where you put it. I'm gonna add a little bit here to the corner of my eye just to brighten up the corner a little bit. And there's my eye look. In a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my eyeliner, and I'll do my eyeliner and my mascara, but I'm gonna move on to my lips first so we can get that out of the way. So for my lips, I'm going in with a NYX lip liner in the color Hot Cocoa. This one is my favorite lip liner, and it's by NYX, and I use this every single day. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. Next, I'm gonna go in with this NYX Lip Lingerie in the color 05 Beauty Mark, and I'm gonna apply that onto my lips. After that, I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Lip Paint, glazed lip paint, and this is in the color Whisper, and I'm just gonna pop that in the middle of my lips to give it kind of an ombre look. And I'm gonna blend it out with my fingers. Woo! Okay. For my eyeliner, I'm going in with this dual tip eyeliner pen by NYX. And it just has a fat side and a skinny side. And I'm going to be using the skinny side. And I'm going to go ahead and line the top of my eyeliner. That's good enough for today. And then I'm gonna go ahead in with the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline, and this one is in the color Blackest Black. Again, most of these things you can get from either your local beauty supply store or Target, and I will have links down in the description box below. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add a coat or two on to my eyelashes. Now, if I wanted to pop on falsies for this look, I would definitely reach for my Ardell double wispies or just Ardell wispies. Those are my absolute favorite. I don't have any of those right now, and because I'm not really going anywhere special at the moment, just class, I'm just going to walk around with my natural born God-given eyelashes. By all means, if you guys want to spruce it up, I'll leave a link down below to those eyelashes just in case you're an eyelash slay everyday kind of girl. I always do that. If you do that, just wait till it dries and it'll flake off, but I'm impatient. This is my drugstore sleigh. This is what I'm looking like. I'm gonna turn the light down so you guys can see what it looks like in natural sunlight. It looks nice and flawless. You don't have to spend $1,000 to get a good sleigh, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and film this hair tutorial now. Janet Collection sent me a couple of wigs that they want me to review for you guys. So, whoa, look at this part. I've definitely got some work to do on these wigs, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you learned something. Don't forget to check the description box down below for links to all of these makeup items that I used in today's video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until my next video, I love you. Bye.